Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer OOPS concept. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Lexical. Lexical typically refers to lexical scoping, a concept in programming language where the scope or visibility of variables is determined by the structure of the code, the lexical structure, rather than the runtime call stack. However, Salesforce has its own specific interpretations and uses of lexical concepts, especially when it comes to language like Apex and JavaScript used in Lightning Web Components. Statement: a statement is a command given to the computer that instructs the computer to take a specific action, such as display to the screen or collect input. A computer program is made up of a series of statements. So let's see an example. Public class lexical example. Here we are taking public void my method. So integer data type we are taking outer var and storing the value 10. If outer var equals to 10, this variable is scoped to the if block, means this block. Integer inner var equals to 20. So here inner value we are taking or storing 20. System.debug inner variable plus inner var, this value we are printing. So in this case the following line would cause a compilation error because inner var is out of scope. Inner var, this one, out of scope. So system.debug inner variable plus inner var, what we are printing, what we are trying to print over here. Thank you.